Hi, my name is Christy with Parkway Sleep, and you have chosen the Siesta Nasal Mask by React Health. This is your mask right here. It is comprised of 3 different parts. You have the headgear, the fabric straps that loop in and Velcro on each point of the frame. There are helpful clips to help remove and put on the mask that clip onto the frame. The frame is the H part right here. You have padded arms that are gentle and comfortable against the cheekbones, and the tubing down here that connects into your big tube. And then you have the cushion of the mask, the silicone piece that creates the seal for the pressure around your nose. And to remove the cushion, you take the bottom of the cushion with your thumb and just break it off against the frame, from the frame. And to snap it back in, you'll hear a little click to know that you put it on. One of the benefits of this mask is that it has a trampoline bounce effect built in to prevent any leaks or movement while you are moving during sleep. It cushions as you toss and turn, and the cushion itself rotates on the frame as you're tossing and turning as well. But to fit the mask, we do recommend, of course, to look in the mirror the first time that you're using it, wearing it, fitting it, to make sure that it stays square on the face. But all you'll do is disconnect the clips from the frame and slide it on. Make sure that everything is not twisted around, and then clip on to the frame. And it'll be a little loose at first, so you'll just take at 4 points Velcro pieces to adjust back. You'll take the top 2 at the same time to unvelcro and pull back at the same time, and you'll feel that bounce. That will help keep everything tight up here and snug. And then your 2 points down at the bottom to ensure everything is snug against the face. The way that you know this piece back here is meant to reside just below that occipital bone, so at the base of the skull. And the way that you know if it's too tight is if you rotate your head like this and there's a little bit of tension. If it's causing a little bit of pain, a little bit of tension, just release these 2 adjustments down here a little bit until it's more comfortable. Whenever you're ready to go to bed, make sure everything is all snug. Take the end of your tube and connect it to your big tubing for your machine. And you'll wiggle the 2 pieces together like so, and you'll go to sleep. In the morning, when you wake up, you will disconnect by wiggling the tubing out of the big tubing. If you pull straight out of the tubing, you have the risk of unsnapping this little gray piece and it staying in your big tube. And if you're ever trying to connect this to your big tube and it doesn't work, try looking for this gray piece. Just snaps back on and good to go. Unhook at the frame, and good morning.